So once we have everything set up, we need to make sure that we have the latest updates and any other features that are available to us. So when we come in, are going to be here at home. We just need to go down to settings and go here and scroll down. You see there's an update available, right? So we just install this update. It should take up less than a minute. All right, it's done. And then install Spotlight. That's a really cool feature, by the way. It makes life so much easier to just navigate through everything. All right, it's installed. And next thing we're going to do is just going to close this panel and then open it up again. Just restart everything. That helps it just organize everything better, right? And lets us use all the new features. So one of the best features is this. It just makes life so easier to navigate. Just Command Shift Space, and you can just search any effect you want. Let's say I want pitch perfector, and it just right here, right? So it helps you navigate and just move through everything much faster. And guess what? It's not just features of KreateFlo. You can actually navigate through any native Premiere Pro features that are available as well. Like, let's say I'll do Command Shift Space and Gaussian Blur, and it's just right here. And I can just click apply and it'll work.